In this video, we're sharing our experience of staying at the beautiful Angkor Village Hotel in Siem Reap, Cambodia. What makes this hotel so special is its beautiful design. Honestly, the moment we stepped into the hotel, I was like, why did I have to plan so much for today? As all I wanted was to stay in and enjoy the place, as it felt so calm and peaceful. Upon arrival, the staff welcomed us with refreshing drinks while they checked us in, and they're just so kind and warm the entire time. After checking in, we headed to our room. We booked the water view double room. We paid €116 per night in June for 2 people, including breakfast. We loved the room so much. It was very beautiful, super cozy, really clean and thoughtfully designed with a lovely view over the pond. The hotel also has a peaceful pool area, a spa, and a restaurant. Also, location-wise, it's super convenient. It's just a few minutes from the old town and the night markets, while just outside the busy streets. And around 15 minutes by car to Angkor Wat, so it's perfect whether you're visiting the temples or just exploring the city. That said, there are a couple of things to be aware of. Our room was close to the road, so we could hear noise throughout the entire night, such as music from a nearby cafe, passing traffic, and even a garbage truck at one point, which kept waking us up. Also, the AC was definitely needed as it gets really hot in the room, but it made a constant sound throughout the entire night, which also kept waking us up. So all of that combined made it a bit hard for us to get a good night's sleep. However, I cannot say for sure if we slept poorly because of the noise, the location of our room, or just because of the stress of having to wake up at 4 a.m. for our tour. All in all, we'd still recommend Angkor Village Hotel for its peaceful vibe, lovely design, amazing staff, and great location right in the heart of Siem Reap. Thank you for watching this video, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions.